By Nanopai Emra SOMPA 106.1 FM. And I good demon Samra so Matana City and Samra Dawson. Machichrin say Kufu say bam, maybe Sunny minimum shin, 70 go area ma me and my G. Shannon said Jumadi, you bet me follow our Facebook, SOMPA 106.1 FM TECHIMAN. SOMPA 106.1 FM TECHIMAN. YouTube, SOMPA FM Live. SOMPA FM Live. A few seminal Ghana players never brave with him say a call worker by ye. Dodona Asako back to more various clubs have been so air signings or more transfers from one club to the other. Honsam Elhanan no pay maybe she will Ediago Ediamana ko PM Elman on so I wouldn't say English Premier League match week 1 a day be chance a cabo some pep now just a fixtures no Edamanima nano pay maybe day trade Edamati for now yet was one of the referees at just a banner footballer just say you're celebrating the power D matches be brave warretai now Edon's watching the stories be brave and now pay my boy no me bro say tip of sports SOMPA 106.1 FM. Yen Shafi sem na se. Na ye sha say that wouldn't say Abdul Fattah Isaku Ghana need this kron I will see na kan was Steadfast FC Ghana my mo free hono okopiem Dreams FC in the year 2021-2022. Na okopiem was Sporting CP or Portugal my mo Sabria me no kasa ide wouldn't say na osina kan Leicester City na no mo call relegation a branch na free ho oba be see kan English Premier League num na Ipswich Town any new club a branch no akwako PM atrese wo be see akan ama bibia nso atime kama edema no sika APM no 20 million pounds na atrese 20 million pounds ena Abdul Fattah Isaku Ipswich Town de kofana no 3 million pounds add-ons ena atrese wo ho a abrante no ekosi akan edema mo for 5 years eno nso ene de free na kache ba na no pai medache edema tie for na Ghana near Brantia ni di Tariq Lamptey with him sana osina kan Fiorentina na no na one club netina se na womako mutual agreement in the contract no wa terminate ya Sabre oba be sia kan ama Queen's Park Rangers ntian kan no na chese Fiorentina na no oba Sabre de true mutual consent and a mutual agreement no Brantia no eba be sina kan ama Queen's Park Rangers with him say injuries ha Brantia the party na wonya kwan ensia kan ne sentino the contract ni ya terminate ya Queen's Park Rangers and a branch no obesina kan wo ho abibia nso no betimi akamade ama no na wokopiem Egypt Alali na Alali omo emma boboku no Alali women yade o masai Ghana ni de sheba ko a abaya no tese obone homode pa ne din ojeso no tese abaya ne din tese wodi 18 years oye winger na abaya no Victoria o say into Victoria o say Sabria me no ka say de wakopiem Egypt ho eno kosina kan de ama Alali emana eno nso no ene de free ho eba na no pa medachi ede ma tiefo na Kumasi Asante Kotoko na winim say after some signing Eric Tinkler as a new head coach no preseason na chance na wo hwe players are report ya players makomako 28 and actress matimi report wo camp eno nso ene de free ho ba na preseason na chance ya twese nyasem keto akura nti wo hwe goalkeeper setimi ba na your branch and din Ede Abdulaziz your Benjamin Chum and afenso no Clever Obey wo nyina goalkeepers are multi a reported camp at just a preseason on a chance na defenders I be PM no there was Zakaria Hussein Sanson Musa Hamzata Abrante Francis Akwa Patrick Asiedu Joseph Amwa Emmanuel Kote and Abu Adams we nyina defenders on be PM preseason na just a kotoko yade omo hwa ni mu say league no omo betimi agiasi omo na midfielders no there was Seth Kwado Andres Inti Manu, your Philip Amwa, your Walid Nema, and your Prince Badu, Abrante and the Eddie Hubert Joe, Solomon Kwakusa, and a Techi Addison. Womanina, Eka Hubi Abrante and the Eddie Loss in Chaymanu, Omonsono up report to a camper, and also any the few Kotokwa Kacha Ebana attackers no Abrante Johnson upon your Kwame Poku, and also what you report, and I think so no Dauda Saka. Dogo Yakubu Dia and a Vitus Avoka. Wanyina atimi report camp at just a Kotoko as a preseason as a more animal say Ghana Premier League affidia no mo betimi age edesio na so na senior players no Mako 19 and atimi report na youth players no 9 and I want so atimi aba na you 3 more youth players such as omonso no eba be preseason bia so mo dem no konkan ya coach no ebetimi de omo kan team no ho a omonso eba be ball league ni bi na Brekum Chelsea FC esina kan Ghana Premier League na Brekum Chelsea so no eyade omo so no sign players pa anti sabre abrante oya midfielder ne din Ede Vincent Kluwaje Brekum Chelsea atumi asane abrante na antese woba be sina kan enka ne no sina kan Brekum Chelsea ba sabre de abrante no atumi free Brekum Chelsea a wakopiem FC Basel na wonim se FC Basel Switzerland no free Brekum Chelsea a sabre wakwakotoa na kansie no so Switzerland I know so any dey free hoba na wonim se osi na kan Ghana mamu na obone homode pa e ka ho bi na FC Basel for abefa no so no ekodi ni juma ho na Aduana Stars na atese Aduana obo mo homode pa bono ne hafwa ha na omusi omudi omujuma na Aduana FC enso atimi assign na midfielder ba kwa branche no ne din Ede Samuel Tenedu enti Aduana Stars echema branche no eba obetimi abebo amane amatimi akonkan abranche no sina kan Brekum Chelsea nti sabre wa free Brekum Chelsea wokosi akan no Aduana FC no so ene de free hoba na 3 years ena atse Aduana timi sign abranche na woba na woba abebo amamo so atimi ade Ghana League no ede si omananse wurim se nkane abranche na osina kan ede Legon Cities afi so no okosi na kan ede Kumasi Asante Kotoko ena obepiem Brekum Chelsea sabre de okwakotoa so Aduana eno so ene de free wa eba atese bibia nso no ebetimi ay kama na wonim say ba ne ma football Ghana mamu a Black Queens no chese mo bo mo homode pa na no ena ya papa bi ono ena wo ba be goalkeepers coach ana goalkeepers trainer ede ama Black Queens na branch na papa no ne din ede Frank Peterson it is abre GFA papa ne din ede Frank Peterson so no omra na be goalkeepers trainer na goalkeepers coach enfama ya Black Queens no na no ena papa ibaye o say ba wa ba no no abebo modern say ya Black Queens betimi agi nkru a e de asi omananso papa ne kasa yenko tie nsem ne bia papa ne di Ede Frank Peterson editor or say I am here to give my best. Frank Peterson.
This job is very big for me to be goalkeeper coach for Ghana for the Black Queens is something that is it's a big job, it's a big opportunity for me. So I'm here to do the best for the goalkeepers, for the team, for Ghana. So to be, how can you say, somehow full-time connected to a team, and even one of the big national teams, is very, very big for me. But in the long term, I'm sure we will see some giant steps for female goalkeepers in Ghana.
Enti papa ne di Ede Frank Peterson and some of the two John no say he's here to give up his best. When him say be call AFCON 2026 Morocco nti o say Black Queens so no be born modern say be ya betumi akwaje e de see na so na Honorable Kofi Adams Sports and Recreation Minister Ede Ghana na no na o trema Ghana your pitches your stadiums ahodo bebre na so wo kopiem from Mantamu a ho na ho sports stadium no papa e trema e ya de omo upgrade stadium na say be ya betumi e de abok CAF events and CAF competitions. Honorable Kofi Adams Ekasai, Yanko na Yanko Tiensemo Kainibi
facility. And that has been the commitment I communicated to the regional minister, who himself has helped us to upgrade at least the sitting area. This used not to be there in this form, and it was only during your tenure last year that we managed to secure this just to upgrade it for some levels of games. Our intention is to be able to modernize this stadium and make it complete so it can host CAF certified events. And that plan is at place, and we can assure you that everything will be done to achieve the objective that you set out for us in the area of what? Sports and sports development. And so that's just the little that I want to say to pave way for your indications and communications to the people. We want to thank you so much. But in adding, the National Sports Authority.
Enti Honorable Kofi Adams, Sports and Recreation Minister Edema Ghana. Yanto us wonim say enkane papa na osina kan Edema Accra House of Folk eya down kway. Na ono no chema say your tournament na say games near miensa na say wotimi bom you now qualifier. I will say players I will bench a womunya bi mono in the third game we try mo papa e chema in the year 2006 na ko wonya deal. E wo say English Premier League na teams bebre edina jinanso no Ghana qualify we no adia matches aka no wanya bia mo etimi affect deals na wantimi ankwanko si aka emasa clubs nti o de futuo akwama coaches ndi say ye corner say qualifier match at say ye ba emfa qualification emra ye no yan try players e wo bench ne bi dankwe ekasai
Jamaica sa tournament na eya ye kokoko a you are qualified 2 matches to the next stage now. Still almost bench and I say me find the third game I say more majority game no almost on be warm it say we no away when say we warm.
Yeah.
So we know I say this is the time I will have to stop it.
Oh, okay.
Because Ghana coaches no more pesa adi because so me say tournament na 3 matches.
Yeah.
If you go 2 na who qualifier. Third match na say we say
try
more bench no. So also Tafacha omo anko say omo ko didi. Every to me 2006. Anything I make a just say menya offer or bottom wonders no.
Wow.
Enti dankwe ene de san 72 dwan yanto aso e wa maronensem ne mena kopanti yanto aso preko ne mfa maronensem no ento aso mfa ma wonim say English Premier League season no enche be hyase na sabre ya me no kasa de akabo so mepepepe na to say dwumade ne nyina ahyase na no na match week 1 fixtures na ba bonte na no pai me de ba betu dwan na to say bibia so timi e kama league no be hyase on the 21st of August 2026 year in the first game no e be the defending champions Arsenal wo ne Coventry City and watch Saturday 22nd no Hull City and Manchester United bebo Everton ne Crystal Palace bebo na Ipswich Town when them say Sabre Abdul Fattah Isako sina kan ewo ho mo ebetina fie na wo ne Sunderland abo Nottingham Forest ebetina fie na Watton South Leeds United and watch Brentford NHS team and the Tottenham Hotspur enso bebo na Sunday there Brighton and Hove Albion betina fie na wo ne Aston Villa abo na Bournemouth beko away to Manchester City Etihad Stadium na watch Newcastle betina fi Manchester on Liverpool abo na eyade Monday night football 24th no eyade Fulham betina fi na Watton Sadia Fred Chelsea na when him said that game eyade papa ni di ede Alvaro Arbeloa one Zabi Alonso ebehia in that particular game and also ede the free hoba na no pa yede che ede amantie for na ye to so the when him said referee and di ede Anthony Taylor na papa yi abomode pa chese games ahodo awadi in football no na chese nyasam ketwa kra papa yi ede krata abonte o chema enya de obeto so akoso a aye referee na chese wo kwa homigem do Anthony Taylor odi 47 years na officiate 831 games of watches papa no ebo ne homo de pa nti every games ni bia chese important games papa yi otimi officiate ya chese bibia tumi ye kama na obepiem FA Cup final in the year 2017 Arsenal and Chelsea papa yi ne gina Arsenal winning 2-1 and watch FA Cup final now be in the year 2020 Arsenal and Chelsea and a sign boy Arsenal sign Chelsea e try na come enu man team ba ko na chese papa yi e gina ya na Chelsea for no omo ebrepa na League Cup final in the year 2015 papa ye gina mu Chelsea ni Tottenham Chelsea winning 2-0 and watch Community Shield 2015 papa yi and officiate ya chese Arsenal and Chelsea na Arsenal Chelsea trying to cover quarters Chelsea ultimate to hear records na Chelsea ni Arsenal shebia na chese Anthony Taylor ni gina ma enkoye na championship playoff no eyade 2018 Fulham ne Aston Villa ne boy papa yi eno gina mu to ayira ma bibia so no timi ye kama na UEFA at International Europa League final in the year 2023 papa yi ena chese o gina mu eno chi no UEFA Nations League finals no eyade 2021 Anthony Taylor eno gina mu UEFA Super Cup in the year 2020-2021 papa yi ne gina mu a chese bibia timi call kama Euros na chese 2020 ena fenso no Euro 2024 no papa yi gina mu officiate 6 games and chese obone homode pa ebone Premier League ni mu a officiate 432 games but in total no 831 ena papa yi gina mu to ayira ma chese bibia etime ye kama was started di juma ma FIFA in the year 2013 to 2026 na chese ye check out 13 years ena papa yi gina mu ato ayira ma chese no so no any dey free Anthony Taylor kache ba na no pa ya ye da chire e dey ma tie for wonim say Uko PM ewa La Liga president Javier Tebas no ena wo chirema o se FIFA president I need ede Gianni Infantino no papa yi chese no hu de enti still na papa no that's why FIFA president o chirema ensem bia course o World Cup ya se ne ma bia papa yi o se papa no timi di ne dwuma de to na chese bibia etumi kama o se manfo bebre support papa yi esan say benefit o munya free ne hontin but no hwa papa yi modern money de enshada enkonkan na no ana manfo bebresi La Liga ekrampo se no La Liga kran chada enkoyi nanso no de free na kacha eba na no pa ye dan chire e de ma tiefo no wonim say Luka Modric a legend e de Real Madrid na Brantia na papa yi free Madrid no kopie mu ewo Italian Serie A no eno kosi na kan de ma AC Milan Sabria me no kasa idea Luka Modric I extending the contract for 1 more year now just in the coming season Luka Modric because wa asina kan ede ma AC Milan and also any the free ho ba na no pay just me dan che ede ma tie for na no pay now wouldn't say World Cup ya ye koye na just FIFA e wo sika wo de ma teams a e ba ye no na team bia ni sika onya ye no na just say wo ha just wo ye team now players e ko World Cup ni bia e dey bia player best spend wo tournament na se no FIFA e wo sika ye de moment o hwe clubs na just say team onya sika kese pa e team ani di e de Manchester City wo no enya $4.4 million and what in Barca Edika Barca enya $3.9 million na Bayern Munich etoso miensa wo no enya sika no $3.4 million and Arsenal etoso wo no enya $3.3 million na PSG omono etoso mu no enya $3.2 million Atletico Madrid when him say finals no na say ATM players be bre ewom na say Spain e bi wo ho e ba na Argentina so a e bi wo ho omono enya sika no $3.2 million Crystal Palace and so on players not just omo doors pa nti no munya $2.7 million Manchester United omo so no enya $2.6 million now Real Madrid omo so no enya $2.6 million na AC Milan omonso no sika omunya no $2.4 million away any the free FIFA catcher eba enti no players no days be almost spend a World Cup national FIFA etia clubs ne ka na twese nyasam keto akra Rodri onim say na watchi de wagini di pa wagye World Cup age golden ball no na wono any ebisa ne say ye pe wo player or favorite player from every country ebe ye hwan say bia nka Ghana ebia the best player na oni bia boss moja na de dia you hu na no any ebisa Rodri no your ball minor not just a ball player or any favorite you know your ball Spain was Spain the best player Andres Iniesta Argentina Rodri HUC Messi na England or HUC Jude Bellingham Mexico no there Rodri HUC Hugo Sanchez na Portugal na do na hwe ni musen kebe Cristiano Ronaldo na so no Rodri HUC ni former teammate Bernardo Silva na Brazil Rodri Ekoma Ronaldo Nazario afei so no Germany HUC Toni Kroos or Uruguay no or say Luis Suarez any favorite for instance France or call Edema Zinedine Zidane Colombia no or to see Radamel Falcao and young Connie and Cotier Rodri saying the favorite players in the various countries.
Our favorite de España.
Toni Kroos.
De Uruguay.
Uruguay, Luis Suárez.
De Francia.
Zinedine Zidane.
Y por último de Colombia.
Colombia, hay muchos.
It's in Rodri some not just the stories in ACDA. When him say Pep Guardiola before the World Cup or say Rodri enya ACL injury nanso no ba World Cup no obi ahwe Rodri animo kwa say just a branch no any ball into your World Cup no be deliver or be sign na no na months ago or cast handsome no Rodri buyer and pounds no buyer no be golden ball no Emma bibia to me come na say Pep Guardiola do na say just or a prophet or no so need you free na catcher Eba na Donald Trump would himself or your president at the United States of America. Now Trump HM was we shall find out not as a game no a more damn game no so more for teams now bia a boy na washani mu say World Cup no best about US hobby no na man for Brazil visa krana chese bimunya and I was pay him. Now so no papa no chema tournament no echo year no so any the free Donald Trump a catch banana pay. Now Eric Garcia HM one more aquatic World Cup no the next agenda the UEFA Champions League when him say in the year 2010 Spain edge World Cup no year no 2011 Barca edge Champions League and this 2026 Spain at the World Cup now there 2027 Barca bet me at the UEFA Champions League na bibia to me come away and then some Eric Garcia dey too I no pay am no kopa na mama sorry na owa hene champion ento aso enfama I no pay systematic press and dey call Facebook na SOMPA 106.1 FM TECHIMAN YouTube SOMPA FM live me dey ene my G me sorry ade ache bia na no wa hene champion eto aso e dey amount